As soon as you see crypto going back up, watches are going to do the same thing. A big part of why watches exploded 2 years ago was because of the crypto rally. So definitely keep an eye on that. Crypto has stabilized right now, with Bitcoin being in the 25,000 range and Ethereum in the 16 to 1800 range. So I do think they match each other. As far as stability goes right now, I do think we've pretty much gotten to the bottom of both those markets. So keep an eye on that. If you've been waiting to buy a watch, there really is no better time than now. So hit us up and let us help you procure your collection. We love consulting and helping people find the right pieces. For instance, you have this Royal Oak AP offshore rose gold. This was trading between $60,000, $70,000. Right now, if you hit us up this week, you could probably get this between $40,000 and $45,000. Definitely precious metals. The premiums on them have shrunk quite a bit. You have the yellow gold AP with the blue dial. I mean, this thing was unobtainable in the 200,000 range, and now from 120 is the range you're in. This can't go much lower. Either of these pieces can, because they're gonna hit retail prices, essentially. So there's always gonna be a demand for these pieces. And I think that's a factor you wanna keep in mind. Whether it's 1x or 2x retail, you should feel pretty comfortable now to go for that big piece you've been waiting for. Even the Starbucks. These Starbucks we're trading at $20,000. Now you can have one for 15, maybe 14.5. And I don't know if you know, but this is the Mark 1, Mark 2. If you haven't seen before, the similar green to the Hulk, and the Mark 2 is more like the original Kermit green. It's a brighter green. I haven't seen a premium for the actual Kermit Mark II one. My opinion, there should be. There's less of them out there. They've been in production for a smaller amount of time. Again, these retail for $11,000. So a few grand over list. There's no way you can walk into an AD and ask for a Starbucks and get one. You're gonna have to wait. If you wanna skip the line, you come to us, and you know, we have to pay the person that bought it their premium. We have to make money to keep the lights on, and that's where we're at. So there's this misconception of, oh, if I'm selling this watch for, let's say, $16,000, that, oh, I have a $5,000 margin. That's not the case. So secondary market dealers generally run on a 5 to 10% markup, and that's how it works. So a $100,000 watch, like this one, there's between $8,000 and $10,000 of profit here, depending on the price that we got it at. You know, some people paid for these watches 6 months ago and the price was a lot higher. So, you know, a lot of dealers with big inventory took a big hit. They took L's. But now's the time to buy. It's not the time to sell. If you can afford to comfortably get that next piece without selling one, that's what I would recommend you do. Hold on, I think, until the holidays come around. Usually all pieces go up, the markets go up. And hopefully we have a market rally too. You know, crypto and the stock market, if those are doing well, watches are gonna do well. So hit us up and let us find you that piece you've been wanting.